Welcome back to School of Civil Engineering. This is Hedaetullah with another new video, STAAD RCDC problem. So when you are trying to import your file from Etabs to RCDC, then when you are trying to design your column, then maybe you are facing a problem like column forces are missing, or estuary forces and estuary drift. Okay, estuary forces and estuary drift tables are missing. So if you're seeing that problem, then you have just make a simple mistake. Okay, you have just make a mistake. Actually, already I have shown you about beam inserting problem, beam design inserting problem, but I just get to mail and they're telling to sort that problem. So I'm just trying to sort that. So I'll just close and or I'll just close. Okay, and I will show you about something again. From here I'll open out that file. Actually this is the same project file. Okay, this is not modified, and this is modified file. Okay, actually this is the file where I have done that mistake. Okay, that's why it's giving us this pop-up. So I'm just selecting that and it's done. Then I'm opening column, and from here you can select any design as per your design code, as per your requirement. So I'm just opening and see. Now it's done. Right, now it's absolutely okay. So just you are seeing that now it's okay. Actually, what is the issue here? Okay, what is the issue here actually? Because when you have import your model, when sorry, okay, I'm again opening our file. That is the file. So when you have import from here to here, when you have import your file by using that option, then you have just make a silly mistake. What is the mistake actually? Just you didn't run analysis your model. Just first you have to analyze your model, then you have to import. And after importing, if you face different types of problem, and I have just solved all types of problem when we are importing file from Etabs to RCDC, and that playlist are given in description, so you can watch from there. So that was the solution actually, and I hope that was helpful for you. And also if you think that that is helpful for you, then obviously subscribe to our channel and like our video, and don't forget to leave your comments, because your on like and on comment inspire me for the next work. So thank you very much. Still stay connected till next video.